Guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a lava farm or a lava chicken farm in Minecraft. So let's get right into it. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is make a hole, and let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You're basically going to make a hole. It's going to be about 9 blocks in width and 7 blocks in length. And in the middle, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna empty all of it and fill it with stone bricks. And let's skip to it. This is how it looks like. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start building its wall. So we're gonna use cut redstone. And for that, just like this, you're gonna make a wall on this side and similarly on this side. And you're gonna make it 2 blocks high, like I'm doing. And you're gonna fill the top part rest with some smooth sandstone, just like this. And on this side you're gonna do the same, except what you're gonna do is make it a bit just like this. I guess I'm a bit wrong. I'm gonna place a redstone here, similarly a red sandstone here, just like this. Next, what we're gonna do is make front and back side, and for that, I'm just gonna place some blocks like this, and similarly on the front, and I'm gonna use some regular stone and make a wall just like this. So basically, our structure comes to look like this: a wall like this, an open side here, and a wall behind this, just like this. Further, what we're just gonna do is add some concrete around here, just like this and here. And next, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get started with the chicken farm. And to do that, we're just gonna break this and add some chest just like this. And now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get started on the back side. Okay, so on the back side, what we're first gonna do is just quickly add 2 hoppers just like this. And next, what we're gonna do is just add a slab on both of them. And behind this, what we're gonna do is add 2 stone blocks. And on the stone blocks, what we're gonna do is add dispensers just like this. And next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to the front, and we're just gonna cover all of this with glass. And moving backwards, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in hopper to these 2 dispensers just like this. We're gonna add 2 stones right here. We're gonna add some redstone comparators like this, and we're gonna add carpets on top of these. And we're just gonna enclose all of the structure, so it would be like this. And we're just gonna make it a bigger, just like this. Yep, just like this. And of course we're gonna add some chicken eggs inside this. And let me just grab the chicken eggs. We're gonna add 48 chickens inside here, so it's gonna take a while, and I'm just gonna skip to that part. Okay, so this is how 48 chickens look like. Just gonna do is we're just gonna cover all of them like this, break some of these blocks right here. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 stones right here, add redstone repeaters on both of them. Next, I'm gonna grab 2 more stones, and I'm gonna just get redstone dust from them and sort of make connection. And we'll run these down to, below our dispensers. And similarly for this side, just like this. Now coming to the top, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add our piston like this. I'm gonna add a lever right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna push it. Okay, and before that, what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna add a same one on the other side, and just like that. Nope, a bit like this. Yeah, and over here it turns on. Similarly, this one turns on. What I'm now gonna do is I'm just gonna cover all of this up with stone, so the construction isn't easily seen. Also, I'm just gonna cover this up along this and like that. I'm gonna add the lava right here, just like this. Now coming to the main screen, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this, add glass, add glass, add glass, and glass. Similarly, I'm gonna break these two and also add glass. Oops. Yeah, this is how it has come to look like, just like in the movie. So next, what we're gonna focus is we're gonna create a redstone mechanism, to turn on the machinery at the back, and we're just gonna make a lever on this side and add some decorations. To get started on our button, what we're gonna do is let's just put a barrel right here, add a flower pot, for decoration, and now start adding the slabs. Here I'm using spruce wood. Okay, you can use any type you want, and similarly it's gonna come back right around here. One, two, and it's gonna go straight into the dispenser, just like this. And similarly, I'm gonna add a lever right here, and redstone dust will follow, just like this. Note that I'm gonna add lava buckets inside the dispensers, so it would look like this. Yep, one here. Similarly, one in the other downwards. Yeah, just like this. Okay, so let's go and test our mechanism right now. Okay, so if we test our contraption, if I do it, oh shit, as you can see lava is flowing and it's going all right. We're just gonna close it now. Yeah, run. Okay, now, so what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna decorate all this. So first of all, let me just place a smoker right here, and then some barrels over here. Okay, and I'm just gonna add some frames right here, and just add some random items. Next, I'm gonna add a painting right over here, and yes, what more we can do is we can just take a villager. Yep. Okay, what we can get is a rail on it, just like this. We're gonna take this, and what we're gonna do is, okay, he ran away. Either way, we're just gonna put him, inside this. Okay, so I have, just pushed them inside the cart. And now what we're just gonna get started on is the roof. We're just gonna make the roof. And let me just do it quickly. Okay, for the roof, what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna cover all of this up with, the same material as before, just like this. We're gonna cover all of this up. Yep, just like this. And on the sides, what we're gonna do is add some stairs. Let me just brighten the day up. Yeah, you can use any stairs you want. I would prefer just not to use the wood. You can only use the wood if you have turned off, your fire spread. I have not, therefore I'm just using this. Yeah, just like this. Okay, next what we're gonna just do is we're gonna build the arches, and for that you just have to make the sides meet in the middle, just like this. Similarly on the other side, I'm gonna do the same. Next, I'm gonna connect all of these. So let's start from below, just like this. Similarly on this side, okay. And for the back, we're just gonna, seal it all up. We're gonna add our glass panels. Yep, just like this. And we're just add many chickens inside as possible. So let's get started. Okay, some of them, respawned outside. I don't know why. But anyways, yeah, this is how our farm has come to look like. And the only thing remaining is a giant chicken on top. And I'll also, just fast forward and build it. You guys can figure out later how you can build a chicken. You can easily make it in your own ways. So I'm just gonna put it there. I do know it doesn't look that much pretty. There's always room for improvement, but that's pretty much it. This was an easy tutorial, how to make the lava chicken store from the Minecraft movie. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.